So today, it's finally happening. This isn't just another day. This is the day that I will ask the woman I've loved since I was 16 to be with me forever. Ang tagal kong inantay itong araw na to. This isn't just a ring. This is a promise that this time around, I'm not gonna let you go there. 11 years, we've been through so much. We started as two young dreamers, and now we're here, thriving, building dreams together, and helping others build theirs too.
We're still together.
Kanina habang bumibili ako ng ring sa Manila Diamond Studio, sobrang excited ako kasi I'm sure magugustuhan mo itong pinili ko. Mas nare-represent ka na itong ring na to and gusto kong nakikita mo to everyday. So habang bumibili ako kanina, actually kinakabahan ako kasi ewan ko, parang ngayon lang ako kinabahan ng ganun sa mga pinagbibili ko para sa'yo kasi tingin ko ito na yung pinaka-importanteng bagay na binili ko para sa'yo. Back then, ito yung success sa umpisa ng lahat. Sa jeep tayo, sabay umuwi, walang kotse, walang malaking pera, walang savings, just two kids chasing dreams. And even then, she believed in me. She stayed when I had nothing and believed we'd make it. And now, on the way na kami sa venue, ang akala niya, isa lang tong another photo shoot. But tonight, it's our story that's about to unfold. Aya, I've loved you since I was 16. I cannot wait to build a family with you, achieve all of our dreams together, and with you by my side, I know we can achieve great things. I'm gonna protect you, provide for you, and I will always make sure you will feel loved every day. And now, I want to love you for the rest of my life. You know, I love you since I was 16. 16 pa lang tayo, gumagawa na ako ng mga love letter sa'yo na sinasabi ko, one day, I'm gonna marry you. And yung one day na yun, finally today, ito na yun. I love you so much, love. I want to spend the rest of my life with you. So, Aya Sarmiento, would you make me one of the most happiest man in this world? Will you marry me?
More than 11 years, it flashed in front of me. From the moment we met, the moment we started dreaming, from the moment we started talking about one day, makukuha din natin yung mga dreams and goals natin isa-isa, hanggang sa nakukuha na natin siya. From the moment na sumasakay tayo ng jeep, nakikipag-agawan tayo sa Guadalupe, papunta ng office, with you telling me na darating yung araw, hindi na tayo mag-jeep. Everything flashed in front of me. And then nag-fast forward siya hanggang dito. It was a long journey, but it was worth it.
One day, nagkaroon ng problem between us and we broke up. That's a moment na I feel lost. Ako, strong akong tao, so hindi ko alam na pwede pala akong makaramdam ng ganun. So, kaya nung binalik siya ni God sa akin, sabi ko, this time around, I will never let you go again. So, ayan na, tinupad ko na yung promise ring mo kanina. Kanina, habang binibigay ko yung ring, medyo matagal kasi kailangan pa niyang i-remove yung promise ring. So, at least yung promise ring, pinalitan ko na ngayon ng engagement ring. Love you, love.